Yep, I got you. Do you want me on the brakes or do you want to stay on the brakes?
I have the brakes, so it doesn't hurt if you keep on them.
Rolling.
All right.
Timers, timers, timers.
All right.
Hey, 777, roll up.
Enter.
Race 475, roll in.
Okay, ready? Run up.
All right. Brakes.
Yep,
Fuel both.
Yep.
Trim takeoff. Flight controls.
yep.
Instruments.
Race 212, rolling.
Okay. Hold the controls, please. Just the, no, I got the brakes.
Oh, okay. 1800 RPM. Max test.
Suction's good, fuel pressure's
Prop,
good.
cycle, vacuum, amps, volts,
Yep,
fuel
good,
flow,
good.
oil pressure, oil temp, idle, check close.
354, rolling.
Remind me to make sure
Race 48, rolling.
we're good.
Throttle friction.
Jammer. Yes.
We're doing a little half runway action here.
Oh, there you go.
What?
No, all right.
Okay, everything else is set here.
Race 200, rolling.
Yep. Like all flaps are open for takeoff. All right.
Race 53, kilo, rolling.
Cute at the center lock. Stay in. Outside.
Wausau, Fabricator, 712,
probably right now, right?
We're over 5.
What it's supposed to be doing. Alright, and we're supposed to be at like 1300, right? Gear is up.
20 is departing.
Props went back.
Okay, we got those 2 ahead of us. We've got them on the scope.
Rate 707 rolling.